Hey, what's up? It's Padee and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a tutorial on this glittery cranberry smoky eye look using the Desi x Katy Dose of Colors Friendcation palette. Give this video a thumbs up if you're here for this look and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my videos, and let's begin. I'm going to start off this look by applying my MAC Soft Ochre paint pot all over the lids to prime so my eyeshadows will blend well and stay put. Next, I'm going to apply the shade Basic to my crease using my E35 Sigma Tapered Blending brush. And because I have hooded eyes, I like to raise my eyebrows to be able to blend the shadow into the folds of my lids, which prevents creasing and also helps to blend the eyeshadow into the crease. And now that I have Basic blended into the crease, I'm going to blend Chiro and Girl By just below the shade Basic using the same E35 Sigma Tapered Blending brush. And I will be gradually adding product as I go, just making sure to blend really well. Before I apply Just a Kiss on the lid, I'm going to apply my NYX Glitter Primer. I'm going to apply the primer using my ring finger and patting it into the inner portion of my eyelid. Just a Kiss is such a beautiful shade that has reflexes of glitter, so I find that applying a glitter primer really helps the shadow adhere to the lid and really stay put. To apply Just a Kiss on the lid, I'm going to use my F75 Sigma Beauty Concealer brush. Now with my E25 Sigma blending brush, I'm going to pack on the shade Chains to the outer corner of my eyes to create a smoky eye. And of course, blending that shade out using back and forth motions and making sure not to take this shade up too high or blending it in too far into the lid. With my ring finger, I'm going to apply Try Me to the middle of my lid to create a gradient of glitter going from champagne to cranberry. I really love how this shade helps pull those red tones for this look. Now I'm going to take my E25 and start blending again, and I will be applying a little bit more of Chains to deepen out the outer corner. With a clean Sigma E40 Tapered Blending brush, I'm going to blend all the shadows together by going in sweeping motions back and forth. So now I'm going to take a makeup wipe and I'm going to clean out any fallout under the eyes. Now I'm going to create a winged liner, and today I'm using my Maybelline Curvitude liner to do so. I'm going to use a black eyeshadow, and this is the shade Punk from the Tartiest Pro palette. I'm going to apply it where I applied my liquid liner. This helps set my liner in place and keeps it looking extra black all day. I also like that it mattifies my liner as well. To apply the black eyeshadow, I'm using the Sigma E20 Short Shader brush. Now I'm going to curl my lashes using my Shiseido lash curler, and then I'm going to apply mascara, and today I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. As for lashes, today I'm going to apply my House of Lashes Iconic Lights, and I'm going to use my House of Lashes Lash Adhesive to apply them. For the lower lash line, I'm going to use my E30 Pencil brush from Sigma, and I'm going to apply the shades Chiro and Girl By blending them under my lower lash line. To line my waterline, I'm going to apply the Rimmel Scandal Eyes Kohl Kajal in the shade Nude to really brighten up the eyes. I'm going to apply mascara to my lower lashes, and I'm also going to apply just a little bit more to the top lashes as well to blend in my lashes with my false lashes. So now I'm going to apply the Fuego highlighter from the Desi x Katy Dose of Colors collab. I'm going to apply this with my Sigma E30 pencil brush, and I'll be applying it to the inner corners of my eyes and the brow bone to highlight. To finish off this look, I'm going to apply my Dose of Colors Desi x Katy lipstick in the shade Aftermath. This is a very comfortable matte lipstick, and I'm loving this, especially for the fall. So that completes this look. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoy watching tutorials, please give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video. Let me know if you've tried these products yet and what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I will see you all in my next video, and as always, have a beautiful day. Bye!